What is going on, YouTube? Welcome to TJ Mitchell Films, your one-stop shop for everything Jeep and off-road related. Today we are in Pozo, California. We got the truck, we got the dirt bike, and we're gonna go out and do some four-wheeling. I was supposed to be rock crawling up near Shaver Lake, but my buddy Wyatt bailed on me. And I don't like to do that kind of wheeling by myself. So we're gonna go out here and explore. All right, that is gonna do it for this one, guys. We got the truck dirty, we got the truck wet. We had a fun time out here. If you're not already subscribed, make sure you go down there, hit that subscribe button. Also, hit the notification bell. I'd really appreciate it. Also, if you guys are interested in any merch, there's a link to the merch store down below. I also have a Patreon account if you're interested in supporting the channel further. I love the functionality of the Gladiator. We went out here, we ran a little bit of trails, we brought the bike in the back. I mean, look, it's just, I just love getting out there and using the truck for what it was meant for. As always, see you guys in the next one.